Hello, I'm Rona Kurvish Malkan, and in this column we are doing association rule mining, but will not be using PyCaret because the latest version of PyCaret does not support association rule mining. So instead we'll use mlxtend. So first we are checking whether the GPU is connected or not. Then we'll install the mlxtend and pandas. The algorithm we are using is a priori, and we are using grocery data sets.csv data. So basically it contains the member number. So what is the member number of the person who bought the item, and the second column, that is item description, contains the item that was bought. So we are trying to create some association rules between different products, like if you buy milk, then how likely are you to buy bread. So first of all we have to modify the data. So we need the data to be in this format for the algorithm to work. So the first column needs to be so every member needs to be in a separate row, and every column needs to be a separate item, and if the item has been bought then the value will be 1. If the item hasn't been bought then the value will be 0. So that's what we are doing here. So we'll first of all we are grouping by member number, item description, then we're counting the number of items, then we are unstacking the items, meaning each item is getting its own column, then we are filling any null values with 0, etc. And finally we are replacing any positive values with 1. So we don't need to know how the quantity of items which were bought, we just need to know whether they were bought or not. So then we are using this modified pre-processed data, and we are trying to find the frequent item sets. So you can see that the UHT and milk, there is support this much for that. Then for baking powder there is this much support, etc. And now finally we are creating the association rules. So we are using the lift metric, and we are putting the minimum threshold as 1. So the lift metric should be minimum of 1 for that rule to be effective. So we are using that. And here you can see that with beef, the lift metric of buying UHT milk is 1.1. Similarly with bottled water, the lift metric of buying UHT milk is 1.2, etc. And finally we are showing the representation of this. So all these contain the top 10 association rules by lift, and these are its respective lift values, and these are the lift values, and these are the top 10 association rules. So that is how we do association rule mining using mlxtend. Thank you.